Xenea mining platform, guys. There is another important task that has just been added to this platform. That is what we have to take a look at in this video, and this information was released 18 hours ago. Kami mission is now live on Xenea wallet. A new mission has just landed. Join the Kami Unlimited mission today inside your Xenea wallet and start any more gems while exploring one of our newest ecosystem partner. Don't miss out. Complete the task, level up your reward. So you can see the Kami here. So this video, guys, we're going to give you details on how to join this and collect all the gems as soon as possible. So back to your Xenea wallet. You know how to get here. In case you don't know how to get to this place, just let me explain. Once you open the Xenea app like this, tap on ongoing gem campaign, either from the top or from the base. Wait a bit to come out like this, then go ahead and tap on mission. Once tap on mission, it comes out like this. So we're going to dive into these details. So the first one here is the Kami mission. Tap on it. Once tap on it, you have yourself at this place. We see we have 0 gems here. Tap on check in daily. Tap on great job. We've gotten 88 gems. Then you have to scroll up a bit and you have to start all the mission. So tap on start quiz. We have to answer 10 questions here. The first question says, what is Kami mission within the creator ecosystem? It's all above. So it empowers creators to collaborate. It builds community amongst creators. It reduces the power held by centralized intermediaries. So it's all above. Tap on all above. Tap on submit. That is correct. Then the next one question says, which of the following describe Kami's community approach? An ecosystem when fan and creator co-create value together. B. Tap on submit. Correct. Then the next question, number 3. Kami NFTs are best described as 1. Digital collectible with artistics. B. A way to enter a vast creator network. C. In an early access and free reduction pass. So it's all above. Tap on D. Tap on all above, then tap on submit. Then correct. This takes us to question number 4. What does IP work in the Kami ecosystem? How does IP work in Kami ecosystem? IP protection is embedded in the Kami to help creators safeguard their work with ease. Answer is C. Tap on C, then tap on submit. That is correct. And this takes us to question number 5. How does Kami support creator? By cutting out middlemen in creator economy, therefore increasing creator loyalty and fan interaction. Answer is A. Tap on A, then tap on submit. That is correct. Then let's go to the next question, which says, what does owning a Kami NFT give you as a fan? X. Access to exclusive content and WL for creator launch. That is answer is C. Tap on submit. That is good. Then the next one, question number 7. Why is facing the creator economy important? 1. Millions of people now making a living creating content. Centralized platform exploit their power over smaller creator because creator deserve to get paid proportionally to the value they generate. So answer it all. Tap on D, then tap on submit. That is correct. Then this takes us to question 8 by tapping on continue. Question number 8. What role does fan play in the Kami ecosystem? Answer is B. Co-creator of value and directly engaging with creator work. So tap on B, then tap on submit. So this is correct. Let's go to question number 9. How does Kami wants to change the way creators make money? By increasing creator freedom and control by eliminating middlemen. That is it. A. Then tap on submit. Then this will take us to number 9. Once we get it right, The last but not the least, number 10 here, guys, is why might people want to own a Kami NFT beyond speculation? 1. To support their favorite creator. 2. To gain access to exclusive content and experience. 3. To facilitate an overhaul of the creator economy towards one that truly empower creator. So answer is C, or D rather, all of the above. Tap on submit. So now we've gotten this correct. So in total, we've been able to get 1,000 gems. So tap on get more gems. While tap on get more gems, it brings you to this interface. No, so you need to follow Kami on X. So follow Kami on X, tap on this button, brings to this interface, tap on follow, then go back to that page. Then great job, 500 gems has been given. Tap on this button again and follow this on X. Then go back to that page. So 500 gems has been given. Then the last, you need to join Kami Discord server. Tap on this button, then tap on accept invite. So tap on this great job, we've gotten that. Now that I've gotten all this, you've been able to accumulate 3,588 gems. Now let's go and complete other tasks and earn a gem. Click on this button to get your daily gem here. Now tap on this to get your daily gem. So if you are new to this channel, you've not subscribed, please take a few seconds of your time, it's free of charge. Tap on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with family, friends, so that people that mine from Xenea app will also have access to this particular information. This is a crucial information. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our Telegram channel where we drop daily quiz and other important information time to time. That is all I want to do, guys, in today's video. If you get this tip and if not subscribe, once again, please subscribe, like, share. See you soon, guys, on our next video.